Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to briefly show you how to withdraw from the RadioShack farm and Liquidity. So you can come to RadioShack's swap, the app, really doesn't matter where you are on here. First thing to do, make sure you are on the Avalanche network. I think it defaults to Ethereum when you go to the swap, so make sure you click Avalanche and connect your wallet. Once you're here, go ahead and click these little three dots in the upper right hand corner and click Farms. And on a mobile device, it'll look a little different, but it's the same basic steps. You're going to see USDC and XETA X3, not the old one. So click the new one. The first thing you're going to do is click this little tab that says Staking. And you're going to change this button right here where it says Deposit. You're going to click this, and it says Withdraw. And what you're going to do is click this button that says Max. So you're withdrawing your maximum amount. You're going to click Confirm Withdraw. MetaMask will obviously prompt you for the transaction, and just approving on my ledger, and this is going to then show a little green checkbox, withdraw, and then this will change to insufficient balance because now you can't withdraw because you've already withdrawn. So that's the first step. You're now out of the farm. The second piece to this is you want to remove yourself from Liquidity next. So go ahead and click the Liquidity tab right here where it says Add Liquidity. You're going to click this and change it to Remove Liquidity. You're going to click Max again. And it's going to show you, obviously, the XETA and the USDC. This should say 100% here. Now, the first thing you have to do if you have not withdrawn before, you have to approve first. I'm going to come down, and I'm just going to confirm. And that's an approval first. So once you approve and that goes through, then you have to confirm the actual withdrawal. So unless you've withdrawn before, two different transactions, one to approve, one to confirm withdrawal. So once that's done, this button will change to confirm withdrawal. Obviously make sure this is still hit max 100% and click confirm withdrawal. It's going to show you how much you will be receiving. Go ahead and click confirm. And obviously confirm in MetaMask. And then it'll say transaction submitted. Go ahead and click out here, and of course then you have a little green checkbox. That's it. So what we did first is we removed from the farm. Max, we pull out of there. That will remove your liquidity pool tokens, and you go into liquidity, remove. Obviously now it says insufficient RLP. RLP is the liquidity pool token you get when you go into the farm. So out of the farm first, out of liquidity second, you're good to go. Please do this as soon as possible so we can migrate to the new system. I think you guys will be very, very excited with what the new system is going to be and how it works. So go ahead and get out of the farm and liquidity, and we'll see you then. Thanks. Take care.